Hey everybody, this is TK with TK Tech here, and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Zephyrus G14 laptop. Just trying to get a review kicked out for a Tuesday before my main reviews come out later in the week. So we got the G14 in box from Best Buy with a sharp object and simple one piece of tape. Box was kind of nifty when you open it up. There's this little pop-out book style cover. And right away you get to the laptop, which feels very solid in the hand. The weight dispersion on it is pretty stellar. There was no heavy spots on either side, but we'll get to that later in the full review. Underneath the actual laptop, we get a box with some seriously underwhelming documentation. For such a big box, didn't really come with all that much. You get some Asus rewards, some quick guides, some random downloads and registration cards. Nothing really too fancy in here. I looked underneath, nothing else. This is literally just a overdone cardboard stand to keep everything tilted. On the right side, you get the AC adapter. And then on the left side, you get the power cord. Everything's all nice and wrapped up tight, but there really isn't much else you get in here. This is a fairly simple unboxing for such a complicated box. You can see me digging around in here looking to see if there's anything else, but not really. No sleeves, no other accessories, nothing. You get a laptop, a charger, and some booklets that you are not going to read. Yeah, overall this laptop has been great so far. Stellar in about the week I've had it. Review to come at the week's end, hopefully on Friday. Got the review of the Galaxy Flip 5G coming tomorrow. So stay tuned and stick around, like and subscribe for all my new stuff. And for that, this is TK with TK Tech.